Welcome to Mr. Heaton's Math Lab, and in this video we're going to learn how to divide numbers using groups. So let's begin with this example. Now let's imagine that we have a bunch of bananas, and in total we are going to have 15 bananas here, and if we count this out it will add up to 15. Now let's say you have to put these bananas in a box, and a box can only have 3 bananas per box. So now you need to box all of these bananas, so how many boxes do you need? So what we could do is we are going to divide these bananas into groups of 3 to figure out how many boxes that we would need. So let's see if we can do that. So if we know that we can have 3 bananas in one group, we can circle each one of these groups. So we have 1, 2, 3 bananas in this group, 1, 2, 3 bananas in this group, this group, this group, and this group. So how many groups do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we figured out how many groups of 3 bananas we have. And for this example, it's the idea of how many boxes do we need to put 3 bananas in each box. So our answer is 5. Now let's try this example. Now for this one, I'm going to let you know we actually have a total of 20 bananas, and you can count that to make sure if you would like. And so again, the idea of division, or the idea of grouping, is taking a look and figuring out from all the values that we have, how do we divide these 20 bananas into equal groups with 4 bananas in each group. So we can just highlight those groups. So if we know that we're going to group everything with 4 bananas, well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas here, so that's one group. Let's do another group, and we're going to group all of our bananas until we have the total amount of bananas grouped. So if we see, again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So how many groups of 4? There's a total of 5. Okay, so here's another example, and then again I will let you know because it would be a lot to count. We have 42 bananas here. So how many groups of 6 bananas do we have? So let's make a group of 6. Well, we can take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bananas, so that will make one group here. Okay, well then I know that this is going to be another group. I know this is going to be another group. This one will be. So we'll have to see how many groups are we going to have in total, because each one of these will tell us how many groups of 6 we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the idea of 42 individual bananas divided with groups of 6 will equal 7 total groups. Okay, now let's try this example. So again, we have 15 bananas in total, and we want to do a group of 5. Well, if we go in this direction, right, we're only grouping with 3, which isn't correct because we want to group a total of 5 bananas. So if we go in this direction, take a look. We end up having our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas. So now we can make groups of 5. So if we circle these groups, we have a total of 1, 2, 3 groups. So that means if we have a total of 15 bananas and we decide to group bananas with 5 bananas per group, we'll have a total of 3 sets. Now let's try this one. This one we have 16 bananas. And we need to group them into groups of 4. So we can group it this way, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, right? We have 4 groups of bananas. So if we take 16 bananas and we divide them into 4 equally numbered groups, we will have a total of 4. Okay, now let's try this one again. We have 42 bananas, and this time we're going to group by 7. So if we see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we know that this will be a group here. So then we know that each one of these is going to be a group. So if we have 42 bananas and we divide them equally with 7 bananas per group, we will have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. So 42 bananas divided equally with 7 bananas per group will give us 6 groups. And let's try this one. So now we need to do groups of 5. We have 25 bananas here, if you want to count it all out. And we're going to group these into 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas there, 5 bananas there, and so on. So let's see, how many groups of 5 bananas will we have? We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 bananas divided equally into 5 bananas per group will give us 5 groups. If you're looking to take your math skills to the next level, check out Mr. Heaton's Math Lab. We offer a range of resources to help you succeed, from free workbooks and Common Core assessments to focused mini courses and comprehensive curriculum courses. Head over to www.mrheatonsmathlab.com to get started today.